Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS.
Imagine looking down at Earth from space. What do you see? Continents, oceans, clouds, a breathtaking view. Now imagine capturing this view with special cameras. That's what remote sensing is all about. It's like giving our eyes superpowers to see things from far away. Remote sensing uses satellites, airplanes, and even drones to gather information about our planet without directly touching it. These eyes in the sky use different types of light, like visible light and infrared, to create images. These images are then analyzed by scientists to understand Earth's features and processes. Think of it like taking a picture with your phone. Just like your camera captures light to create an image, remote sensing instruments record the light reflected or emitted by objects on Earth. By studying these images, we can learn a lot about our planet, from monitoring weather patterns to tracking deforestation. Remote sensing is like having a giant magnifying glass for Earth, helping us see the big picture and the smallest details. It's a powerful tool that is constantly evolving, thanks to incredible advancements in technology. Remote sensing generates a massive amount of data. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. That's where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI is like giving our computers a brain boost. It helps them analyze this data faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. AI algorithms can sift through mountains of images, identifying patterns and anomalies that would take humans years to find. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's what it's like to analyze remote sensing data without AI. But with AI, we can automate this process, making it quicker and more accurate. For example, AI can be trained to identify different types of crops in a field, assess the health of forests, or even detect illegal fishing activities. AI is transforming remote sensing from simply collecting data to actually understanding it. It's like having a team of expert analysts working around the clock, helping us unlock the secrets hidden within the data. While satellites provide a global perspective, sometimes we need a closer look. That's where drones come in. These unmanned aerial vehicles are like the eyes in the sky we can control from the ground. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can fly over specific areas, capturing detailed images and videos. Imagine being able to inspect a bridge for cracks, survey a disaster zone, or even monitor traffic flow, all from a safe distance. Because drones can fly at lower altitudes than satellites, they can capture images with much finer details. This is particularly useful for applications like precision agriculture, where farmers can use drone imagery to monitor crop health, identify pests, and optimize irrigation. Drones are revolutionizing remote sensing by providing a cost-effective and accessible way to collect localized data. They are like our own personal eyes in the sky, giving us a bird's-eye view of the world around us. The future of remote sensing is all about connectivity. Imagine a world where billions of sensors are interconnected, constantly collecting and sharing data. This is the vision of the Internet of Things, IoT. In the context of remote sensing, IoT means having sensors on the ground, in the air, and even in space, all communicating with each other. For example, sensors in fields could monitor soil moisture and send this data to drones, which could then apply fertilizers only where needed. This interconnected network of sensors will generate an unprecedented amount of data, requiring even more powerful AI algorithms and faster data transmission speeds. This is where 5G networks come in. With their lightning-fast speeds and low latency, 5G will be the backbone of this data-driven future. The possibilities are endless. Imagine using remote sensing data to predict natural disasters, optimize traffic flow in real time, or even monitor the health of our planet with unprecedented accuracy. The future of remote sensing is bright, connected, and full of potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Native GIS.